Have you ever dreamt about packing your bags? What do dreams about packing signify? Could packing dreams be a reflection of your current mental state? Is there a deeper meaning behind these seemingly mundane dreams? We're about to delve into the fascinating world of dream interpretations, specifically focusing on dreams about packing. Don't forget to check our video description for bonus content made for you. Let us first delve into the negative interpretations of packing dreams. Dreams are like a mirror, reflecting our deepest emotions, fears, and desires. When you dream about packing, it might not be as simple as it seems. It could be your subconscious trying to communicate something important to you. Firstly, if you've been feeling overwhelmed by the responsibilities and tasks in your waking life, these dreams could be a manifestation of that. Packing, as we know, can be a daunting task. It requires planning, organizing, and making sure we don't leave anything behind. Similarly, in life, we often juggle multiple roles and responsibilities, which can sometimes feel like an enormous burden. So when you dream about packing, it might be your mind's way of expressing this feeling of being overwhelmed. Secondly, dreams about packing can also symbolize an underlying fear of impending changes or transitions. Change, as we all know, can be scary. It's the fear of the unknown, the fear of leaving behind the familiar and stepping into something new and uncertain. If you're anticipating a significant change or transition in your life, or if you're resistant to change, it's not uncommon for these feelings to surface in your dreams in the form of packing. Thirdly, unresolved stress or anxiety about a particular situation or event in your life might also manifest as packing in your dreams. It's a common belief that our dreams are influenced by our waking experiences and emotions. So if you're dealing with stress or anxiety that you haven't fully processed, your dreams might be nudging you to confront these feelings and seek resolution. Lastly, dreaming about packing may suggest avoidance. Packing, in this context, could symbolize your desire to escape or run away from certain emotions or problems. It's like you're packing up your troubles and trying to leave them behind. But remember, avoidance is merely a temporary solution. It's important to face our problems head-on and deal with our emotions, rather than trying to escape from them. These interpretations suggest that packing dreams can often reflect our deepest fears and anxieties. But remember, dreams are subjective, and their interpretations can vary greatly based on your personal experiences and emotions. What's important is to ponder over these dreams and understand what your subconscious is trying to convey. After all, self-awareness is the first step towards self-growth and transformation. Now, let's explore the brighter side. Packing dreams are not always negative. They can also have positive interpretations. We often associate packing with travel, embarking on a journey, leaving the familiar behind, and stepping into the unknown. In the realm of dreams, this can symbolize that you're preparing for new opportunities and challenges. Dreaming of packing can indicate that you're ready to embrace change, that you're gearing up for a new chapter in your life. It's a sign of readiness, of anticipation, of looking forward to what lies ahead. Another positive interpretation of packing dreams revolves around organization and prioritization. When we pack, we carefully select what we need, what's important, and what we can leave behind. If you're dreaming about packing, it might be a reflection of your desire to organize your life, to sort out your priorities, and to focus on what truly matters. It's about decluttering, both literally and metaphorically, and making space for what serves you and your goals. Then there's personal growth. Packing dreams can also symbolize your readiness to let go of the past and move forward. Just as we pack up our belongings to move to a new home, dreaming of packing can signify that you're ready to leave behind old habits, past mistakes, or anything that's been holding you back. It's about growth, progress, and the courage to step out of your comfort zone. Lastly, packing dreams can indicate an adventurous spirit, a longing for new experiences and exploration. If you're dreaming of packing your bags for a trip, it could be a sign that you're yearning for adventure, for the thrill of discovering new places, meeting new people, and experiencing different cultures. It's about curiosity, wanderlust, and the excitement of the journey, not just the destination. So, next time you dream about packing, don't be quick to assume it's a negative sign. It could be an invitation to embrace change, to organize your life, to grow as a person, or to seek out new adventures. Remember, dreams are deeply personal, and their meanings can vary greatly, depending on the dreamer's individual circumstances. These interpretations show that packing dreams can be an optimistic forecast of personal growth and exciting new beginnings. Whether it's a sign of stress or a symbol of new beginnings, our dreams about packing speak volumes about our mental and emotional state. We've explored both negative and positive interpretations. Share your dream experiences in the comments, and please like, share, and subscribe for more on dream interpretations. Don't forget to check our video description for bonus content made for you. Thank you for joining us on this journey of self-discovery through dreams. Remember, dreams are the secret windows into your deepest self and desires. Keep dreaming, keep exploring,